If you are interested in cryptocurrency, then you need to watch this video because I'll tell you exactly why you should get on Binance today. Let's get those credits rolling. Binance was started in 2017 by CZ. It was started in 2017 as a crypto exchange. Now, what is a crypto exchange? A crypto exchange is similar to what you'd have with the securities exchange, where you can buy securities such as stocks, but now what you're buying and selling are cryptos. As of April of 2021, Binance is the largest platform in terms of volume, meaning that the most money in crypto is being transacted through Binance. So that is the first reason. It is the largest platform, meaning that it has the most people, it has the most money, liquidity available on the platform, so it's possible for you to trust it, and it is used internationally. There are so many currencies, crypto and fiat, that are traded on the platform. So you can be able to bring in fiat currency, which is a normal currency, and convert it to cryptocurrency. There's a video that I did about how to be able to buy Bitcoin on the platform. I'll share it in the card above and in the description below. But if you want to sign up for Binance, check the first link in the description. Reason number 2 that you should trust Binance is the fact that you can be able to do your transactions through them, and they have what is known as escrow services. Suppose I want to buy Bitcoin on the platform. There will be someone on the platform who's willing to sell that Bitcoin. Now, when you go to peer-to-peer or P2P platform on Binance, the people who are selling their Bitcoin are selling it a little above the current market rate because they are trading, and they will be able to sell it to you. So what happens is you are able to purchase it from someone. So for instance, if I want to buy 1,000 shillings worth of Bitcoin, then I'll go onto the platform and I'll check who is selling 1,000 shillings worth of Bitcoin. So as a trader there on the platform, the place, this is a range that they want to sell it at, and you can be able to buy it from them. So when you click on someone's offer on the platform and you click on buy, what happens is their 1,000 shillings is now held by the platform awaiting your payment. What happens after that is you will be able to see the payment details of the seller, and if you're sending from your bank, if you're sending from your MPESA, if you're sending from whatever means of payment that you are using, you will need to send it to the seller. Now, once you have sent, you will need to confirm that you have sent. The seller then, on the other hand, confirms that they have received. Once they have received the money and they have confirmed that their balance is okay, then they will now release that crypto to you, in this case, Bitcoin. In this area, Binance now is an intermediary for you, offering escrow services, meaning that you don't know the buyer and you don't know the seller, but you both know Binance, and you can be able to do your transactions on the platform without the need of even knowing or trusting each other. You all have Binance in the middle who you can be able to trust. The next thing that you can trust Binance for is to start a trading business. Now, this means that you purchase crypto and you sell crypto, or you can buy at a lower price and sell it for a little higher price. Now, when you go onto the P2P platform, the people you see there having done so many trades, it's because of the fact that they're able to buy at a lower price and sell it at a higher price. This is a business that people can be able to do. So even when you are buying or selling crypto on the platform, please check the number of trades that the person has done, because that gives you an indication of how trustworthy they are. Please note that if you are doing a transaction, that you need to follow the steps that I give in the video that I did before, so that you do not get scammed. In fact, there is a video that I will do very soon about how someone tried to scam me on a crypto platform, but that is still in investigation. I'm currently in the appeal process. So once that is complete, I will actually tell you the things that I've learned and the steps that you need to take in order to protect yourself from such people on the platform. The next reason why this platform is really good, there is an area on Binance where you can be able to start earning passive income. Now, this is a tutorial that I'll actually do really soon because I've been doing this for about 2 weeks now, and I want to be able to show you the different kinds of savings that you can actually make and interest that you can actually make when you have bought the crypto, whether Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever other crypto it is. And I'll do another video to show you how to be able to buy any coin on the platform. Now, the thing that you need to know is there are 2 ways that your crypto can make money, that your money can make money. The first is from the appreciation of the coin itself. So whenever, if you bought Bitcoin at 4 million and it goes to 5 million, the value of your Bitcoin has gone up by that percentage. The second way that you can be able to make money is what is known as earning. So I'll do a video on the same, and you can be able to find cryptos where it's 1% all the way to 30% per annum, and I'll be able to show you exactly how to do that. So subscribe to the channel. The next thing about Binance that I really love is multiple wallets. Now, on the platform, you can be able to have the overall wallet. Of course, that shows you the total amount of money that you have on the platform. But there's what is known as a fiat and spot wallet, where you can be able to do what is known as spot trading. This means that you can be able to buy a crypto when it is low, and when it gets a bit higher, you sell it. And I'll do a video just to show you on spot trading. The next one is a margin wallet, where you can be able to borrow money and be able to buy trades and feel like you have borrowed more than what you have. So this requires still a full tutorial on the same. The idea is, if I have 1,000 shillings in Bitcoin and I feel like, and from my analysis, I know that it will go up, then I can be able to borrow 20 times what I have, 20,000, and be able to have a stake of 20,000 instead of 1,000. If the Bitcoin goes up like I predicted, then I will make money from the profit that I will have made. So whatever amount it has gone up by and where I had come in at, there is a percentage that is there. That's called margin trading. There's a tutorial that's coming soon. This is a risky kind of trading more than spot trading because you are actually borrowing. If the Bitcoin goes in the opposite direction of the way that you had predicted, you will start losing your Bitcoin. But a tutorial is coming that you can be able to see. Another wallet that's there is a P2P wallet, where, as I'd explained before, you can be able to trade. Buying of crypto is usually in the P2P, and most people, this is where your money will be. The next one is Earn wallet, where you actually lock your crypto for a particular time in order to get rewards. There's one that I have been doing for Binance Coin, where you get a coin known as ATA, and I'll be able to show you in a future video exactly how much I've been able to get. Then there's also a pool wallet, where you can be able to mine cryptocurrency. Now, when you are mining, it will require you to have a little bit more money, where you can be able to place to mine so that you can be able to get more reasonable returns from the same. But all this are possible because Binance is extremely versed. And the next reason why Binance is really good is a feature that is actually coming out this month of June 2021 at the recording of this video, which is called as an NFT marketplace. Binance has a marketplace that is actually coming, which means that if you have bought your NFT, whether on Binance or on other platforms, you can be able to come there and sell. So as an example, if you bought an NFT of a Batman and it was rare and you probably bought it at $100, there's someone who's willing to buy it at more than $100. And depending on the demand, you can be able to make some really good money when it comes to NFTs. If you guys like, I can do an explanation in a future video. Let me know in the comments. Anytime you want to buy crypto, I would advocate that you use a platform that is trusted, such as Binance. And the reason why I recommend it with all my heart is for the fact that I know that it is genuine. I have checked. There is no issue with the platform. Can be able to use it to make your purchases and to make your sales. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.